Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Messenger on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is open the App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, you want to select the search icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Messenger. It should be the top result, looking like this. Tap on it. Now, you can scroll down to view more information about the application. However, to download it, scroll all the way to the top and click on the Get button. Now, mine shows as a cloud button because I've downloaded it in the past. Once you've downloaded the application, select Open. It will immediately open the Messenger application, and you'll be greeted with the login screen. Now, because I've logged in the past, it's automatically showing my profile. You may be taken to a different screen if you haven't done this already. So, let's continue the login process. And once we've logged into our account, we can begin using Messenger just as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials.